Hey guys, so in today's video I want to share with you guys my backdrop stand kit. So I got this from Amazon and everything is complete, like the things that you need for a studio, like someone who wants to open a studio, whether it's photography studio or a YouTube studio, like all the things when it comes to backdrop, like to change if you don't want to show people your house or all of that. So that's basically what backdrop is all about. So I'm gonna share with you guys my backdrop kits, like the thing I got. So I'm gonna first of all start opening it with my little scissors, and I so much like the scissors for opening it. I know it's very small, but anyway, that's my choice. So as soon as I'm done cutting out the sellotape or the tapes, okay, so as soon as I'm done cutting it out, then I go ahead to kind of start opening it to know the things that are inside. And also here the first thing I'm going to see is the the manual, the instruction, and is in different language. If you don't understand your own, or if you don't have any your language is not there, you can see English, which is a general language. So inside there you have, so this is what it look like, these things you guys are seeing. So everything in this paper, like you'll see the bag, the standing, the the rope that you can connect to the cloth and all of that. So these are the things that are inside this carton. So that is what I'm going to share with you guys. It also has some clips, and it comes with clips. Like I said, it has different language. You can have it in English, Italy, I think also Spain, Espanol, and a lot of them that I cannot remember. So that's basically it. So the next one is the company's name, like the people who produce it. So this is their card if you want to know anything about them, like what they do and all of that. So this is basically their card that you can read and contact them. But now let's go to the deals. So this is the first clip here, which is the clip you will use to hold the cloth. So it has 3 clips. So this is the second one. I'm going over to the third clip. So here we have the clip now, and this is what it's basically looking like. So I'm going to bring out the standing. Okay, so this standing is 2, like it balances to, like it's not only 1, so it balances 2. I'm gonna attach the picture so that you guys can see how it looks like when you finally fix them. Okay, so this one, it looks like a bag, but it's not actually a bag where you can put everything inside. It's kind of, I'll show you guys before the end of this video how it's looking like. Okay, so but I like the bag though, so but it's a bit heavy. So over to the cloths. Oh my god, I never thought that this black is going to be this huge. Like it's very big. I never thought of it. I thought it's going to be something very small. Okay, so because this thing you guys are seeing is 2 meter by 3 meter. Okay, that's the one I got. That is the black. So the next one is gonna be the white one. Okay, so I'm a fan of white, but I would like to be using it maybe sometimes, I don't know, but I'll prefer it for my makeup. But I don't think, because it has something to do with foundation and all of that, I don't think I'll actually be using it. I'll think that I'll be going for the black and the green, because it still have green right there. I don't want this white to stain. Okay, so the last one there is the green one. So let me bring it out for you guys to see. Okay, here it is. And this green one, oh my god, you guys know that green is an optional and you can use it to do anything like chroma key and all of that. I think that's basically what I'll be using, but that's not gonna be mostly. Okay, so it's not gonna be mostly, but it's gonna be, please pardon, my baby is here. Okay, I'm a mom of 3, if you get to know. So I'm gonna use this green for a lot of things. Okay, so that's basically all I got in that box, and yeah, so that is all, and I'm so happy. But one thing I was surprised about is the cloth, like it's very big, even though that the standing is, is 2 by 3. I didn't expect the cloth to be this huge. I thought that it's gonna be something very light and simple. So going over to the clip right there, I wanted to try to see if it's kind of a clip that looks like the clip for clipping your cloth, but it's not. Like, guys, you need to eat very well if you want to open this clip right here, this clip here. Oh my god, I'm testing it in my hand to see if it's gonna clip like the one for cloth, but it's rather sliding, which is not good for something like my hand. Okay, it's basically for something that has to do with this kind of thing. That's what it's basically made for. So over here, I'm going to share with you guys this standing. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how it actually looks like. It's kind of, if you have a ring light stand, so that's basically what the standing is looking like. If you watch, you will see that how they differentiate it. One standing is the other side, and this one is the other side. So I think this is the one you will put in the middle or something like that. I don't actually know, but I'll figure that out whenever I want to kind of fix it by myself. But for now, I'm just doing the unboxing. I'm not gonna fix it, but I'll do a separate video about how I'm fixing it. Okay, but definitely not today. And that's all, and I'm so excited that everything was complete, because whenever you order something or it comes, you need to make sure that everything is complete. So I'm gonna put them back. So I'm so excited to share with you guys my backdrop that I got from Amazon, and which I am loving so much. And here you all, if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe in the subscribe button. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.